Yes, guys, day 2 in Morocco, in Marrakesh, and we've just woken up. We have just woken up. It's we're 1 hour behind, so I think it's 9 o'clock. Sorry, 10 o'clock UK time. It's 9 o'clock here now, and yeah, just woken. Not had the best sleep last night because this one here, I don't know if it's jet lagged. She got jet lagged and she was sick. She was throwing up and everything. Not very good.
I'm just a baddie.
She's just built different. Yeah. I'm built different. Right. So Harris as well. Harris wasn't feeling well as well last night. So yeah, not very good. Okay. So yeah, just woken up. We're gonna go for breakfast, and yeah, check the view out. The view, beautiful view. Waking up to this view, fantastic. Right. Yeah. So let's get ready. I'm gonna wake Roxanne up. She's still asleep. She's had a rough night as well with Zaina. I had Harris. He was sick and everything. Yeah. But that's it. I think that's the jet lag and everything out of the way. Upwards and onwards now, right? Let's go. Okay guys, so we are gonna go for a little walk, a little tour of the hotel. Okay, let's go. Harris is gonna be here. He's not feeling 100%. Zaina, we're gonna take Zaina for a little walk, and then hopefully when we come back, wake Roxanne up. We're gonna go for some breakfast. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we just come out of our apartment. Little. Whoa. Have you pressed it, Hannah? Okay, so we'll just go to the pool area. You're gonna get the phone wet, Hannah.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, day 2 in Marrakesh, and we're just gonna go. We've just woken up. I woke up ages ago, as you guys know, alright? They've woken up ready and everything. Roxanne's woken up. Zaina, check my Zaina out, check her out. There you go. She's feeling a little bit better, I think, from yesterday. Not 100%, but better, slightly better. Harris, are you feeling okay? Yeah, Harris is feeling okay. Hannah, what about you? You're just built different, yeah?
I'm built different.
Yeah, that's it, right. So, because we woke up a bit late and everything, I think we missed breakfast service, right? Did we, Hannah? Yeah. Right. So we're just gonna go get some lunch. Right, we're gonna go to the Cafe Lobo, which is, where's Cafe Lobo, Hannah?
Dad, watch out.
Go that way, go that way. This way. We're gonna go to Cafe Lobo and get some lunch. Lunch, yeah. Right, okay. Okay guys, so we are at Cafe Lobo. We're gonna have some breakfast now. Check it out. At Cafe Lobo, having some breakfast. Okay, our breakfast is here. I don't know where Hannah's and Harris is. I think no breakfast for you guys today.
Fine, I have my hot chocolate.
Yeah, she's got a hot chocolate and orange juice. Healthy, is that what it is, Hannah? Yeah, let's go. Right, this is what we're having. Okay guys, so I think this is an egg omelette basically, okay?
Guys, it's mine.
This is basically an egg omelette, right, okay? And we've got some, I don't know what it is, pancakes, you could say pancakes. And we've got the cappuccino, some sides on the side, orange juice.
Under my chair.
Thank you.
Is it?
Under my chair.
Zaina.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, right, breakfast is done. What we're going to do now is we are off to the, well, there's this, I'm going to be like Richard Attenborough now.
Richard Attenborough.
Is it
David Attenborough.
Oh, sorry, David Attenborough. I get that mistake. Richard, I think they're brothers. They are brothers. Okay, guys, so we have come to Menara Gardens just to have a, well, like I was saying before we got interrupted by the dogs, didn't we, Hannah? Right? We could have took a shortcut and basically come out this way. Oh, sorry, I didn't see anything. Right, we could have took a shortcut and come out this way. Instead, it's cost us 70 dirhams to get here, right?
Because I got scared of the dog.
Yeah, because she got scared of the dogs, right? Anyway, so we are here at Menara Gardens. Check it out. And like I was saying before we got interrupted, is it Richard Attenborough, Hannah? David Attenborough. Today, we are going to visit the Menara Gardens. 18th, what was it? 18th century British Raj. Oh no, it's not British.
No, British. Morocco.
The 18th century Moroccan Raj. What, am I so cringe? Lost the plot. That's what the heat has got to me. Oh, what's Mummy doing? Mummy, you alright, Mummy? Onwards, let's go. Come on, Harry. My Harris is not feeling well. Are you, Harris? He's not feeling very well, but you know what it is? He's still soldiering on like a soldier that he is. Yeah, Harris? It's too hot, that's what it is. It's too hot for him. Yeah, the heat is getting to him. Yeah, but what can we say? We're in a hot country, so it is going to be hot. Right, so nothing else we can do about it. So he'll be alright, he'll be okay, he'll be fine. We are all melting here.
I'm
Right,
all
okay,
wet.
I don't know what's the temperature here, but it is quite hot. It is really, really hot.
Look, guys, I'm
We are
all
under
wet.
a shade, taking some shelter, some shade, basically. Yeah, having a break, and nice breeze and everything. So yeah, this girl, she wants to get out, okay, and go for a run. Can't do that. I can't run after her. Okay. So there's Hannah. Harris is really struggling. Okay, we're gonna get going now. Okay, so there's the pavilion, guys. Like David Attenborough says, I'm gonna follow in his footsteps. David Attenborough. Right, okay, pavilion there. Right, this is the 18th century. That's it, I don't know anything. 18th century wartime, or is it pre-wartime, or whatever it is. You know what it is? I haven't done my research, but I just know this is something to do with history of Morocco and Marrakesh and what have you. So yeah, it is what it is. There you go. It's there. Harris is. We would have gone all the way around Menara Gardens, but he can't hack it, so we're going to be onwards that way, and let's see. Harris, move that way. You don't go to the water. Right, and we're going to go to, I think, a camel ride. Let's see if we can get a camel ride, and then we'll go to the hotel. Right, come on, let's go. Looks like it's only me and Hannah flying the flag for R4UL TV. Harris is not feeling well. Zaina is not feeling well. Roxanne is with them, so it's me and Hannah. Right, let's go in there. Let's check that out. It looks nice, that bit.
A few moments later.
Right, guys, so I know you're looking at, looks like 10 men in it. I'm only messing with you guys. we are going to the pool because we went to the Menara Gardens and we wanted to go to the camel rides and everything, but Harris and Zaina, as you can see, they're crying and everything. She's not well. Harris is not well, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the pool. Let's go to the pool and just relax there for a bit, and then if they feel a little bit better after that, possibly go to the camel ride. We'll have to get, see how they get on, It's the worst feeling ever, falling ill in when you're on holiday, so yeah, what can you do? It is what it is. Let's go. I know, we can't go in this side, we have to go in the shallow end. I'll go in first, wait. Do you not know how to swim, Roxanne?
A few moments later.
What's happening, guys? On TV, we are back again, and yeah, it's been a hell of a day today. What a day! I'll be straight with it. It's hot. It's been really, really hot. Harris and Zaina, not that good. They're not feeling 100%, and we tried to go a few places, but obviously because they're not well, we couldn't really go anywhere. So hopefully they get a good night's sleep tonight, and we can do something tomorrow. Okay, we can go on the horse ride, horse carriages, go to the Medina, things like that. Fingers crossed they recover, then we can go to the blue city or whatever it is. Basically, it depends on them. If they're not feeling well, then we can't really do much, right? So it is what it is. It is what it is. We're here at KFC having some food, and that's it. So yeah, let's get on it. So Hannah wanted chicken wings. Unfortunately, we don't have chicken wings, but we do have chicken, yeah, Hannah? Yeah. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Yes, now guys, right, so we've just come back from KFC and just relaxing in the hotel. It's about, what time is it, Hannah? It's about 9:30? 9:30? It's about 9:30 at night, and yeah, so disaster nearly happened, okay? R4UL TV, team R4UL. No. Absolute disaster nearly happened here in Marrakesh. As you know, we went for KFC. We had some food, everything okay. Actually, I like the food. KFC in Marrakesh, halal as well. nice, right? We had it. The food was so nice that it blew my mind, right? I wasn't messing. I had my backpack on my back, right, which I took off to sit down, obviously, right, and then I left it there. I left it there at KFC. Come to the hotel, taxi driver, after bargaining with the taxi driver for like 10 minutes and everything, right, come to the hotel, right, and I said, wait a minute, right, don't go. And he goes, what's up? Right, I left my bag at KFC. He goes, well, we have to go get it. He goes, what? I said, the passport's in there, right? I wasn't bothered about the money. I had some money in there as well, but the passport is the key, okay? So,
Yeah, it has my pretty picture in it.
right, so yeah, it's got Hannah's pretty picture in it. It's got my criminal picture in it as well, right? Okay, so the guy did like a Lewis Hamilton Formula One, okay, all the way there. Maybe he's related to Lewis Hamilton or something. You know, the way he drove, took off, right? I thought I'm flying back to England. Anyway, so got there, but before we got there was this nice lady there, right? She was doing, she was serving us. Nice, shout out to the nice. You know what? I should have tipped it. I forgot to tip it. I was in a haze because I needed to get the bag. Okay, so I went in there. I got the bag off her. I said thank you and everything. You know, I'll go back tomorrow. I'm gonna go back tomorrow and give her a little tip. Okay. So
You're gonna do a vlog, are you?
I'm gonna do a vlog of that as well. As well. Okay. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow, give her a little tip, and say thank you for saving my bag, saving our passport.
That's if she's there though.
She will be there. Mostly, if she isn't there, then I'm not gonna give anybody a tip there. Right? But if she is there, okay, I'm going to give her a little tip. Anyway, we're having a cup of tea in the hotel room. Okay, Roxanne's made tea. Yeah, relax and relax. You know what, I'm supposed to be on a diet, but yeah, after the holiday we'll go on a full diet, but check all these chocolates out.
They're my breakfast bars.
Breakfast bars, twirl, Kit Kats, Penguins, Snickers, Twix, everything. We've got everything here. Let's go.
He is heading down to Miami. He's interestingly asked a question by the student.